Watermelon shooters. They're delicious, they're fun. Watch this, okay? Grab some watermelon chunks, throw those in the blender, okay? You can really just throw them in. You don't have to place them in. Throw them in there just to show that you're serious about your drinking, okay? Blend those bad boys up. Ice, come behind them with some tequila, okay? Y'all need to get across that border now. Pick up a couple bottles before they build this wall. Hit it with some watermelon pucker, okay? And then we strain in our watermelon, okay? We don't want the big chunks in there choking people. So we're just doing a little separation here. This science, shake that bad boy up, and then we get us some shot glasses, okay? Which we rim with corn syrup and green sugar to really give us that melon effect, okay? Bang, bang, stick it in and take a look at it. Delicious, okay? Presentation is everything, guys. Seriously, that's why me, when I go out, I make sure that I'm super presentable because women love it, okay? They love my style, okay? Garnish our little glass with a little watermelon slice.